Welcome to SS Philosophy Education. Today we are going to discuss on the basic principles and concept of accounting. Before we proceed, let us know about accounting, or accountancy. It refers to the process of measuring, summarizing, and communicating of the financial information, which has been recorded in books of accounts of the company, which gives the information about the accounts of the company to relevant parties such as shareholders and managers. Now, let us proceed with the basic principles and concepts of accounting. First, concept of accounting is business entity concept. In this, the transactions of business and personal transactions of the owner are recorded separately, as business is separate from the owner of business. For example, I and my business are separate. Second, concept of accounting is accruals concept. In this, revenues will be recognized when earned, or when cash is received, and expenses will be recognized when assets are consumed, or when cash is paid. Third, concept of accounting is money measurement concept. According to this concept, we can record only those transactions which can be measured in monetary terms. Fourth, concept of accounting is accounting period concept. Accounting period defines the time range over which business transactions are accumulated in financial statements of business. Here is end of part 1. There are 5 more concepts and principles of accounting, which will be continued in next video. That is, basic concept and principles of accounting part 2. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe SS Philosophy, and don't forget to ring the notification bell with subscribe button. Follow my blog, www.ssphilosophyblog.com, and like my Facebook page, SS Philosophy. Thank you.